Welcome. In front of me is a General Mobile GM9 Pro, and today I will show you how to wipe cache on this device. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it's off, which should be indicated by the vibration, or not, I guess, then you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. You'll soon see the Android logo, and then you can let go of the keys and wait for it to boot into the recovery mode. Now, once you see the Android recovery mode, you will use volume keys to navigate. Hopefully you can see it clearly on the, considering it's super small on here. But yeah, volume up to go up, volume down to go down, and you do it because the touch doesn't actually work here. And whatever you select, you will confirm with the power key. So with that in mind, let's select wipe cache partition and then confirm the selection with the power key. You get a quick wipe, and then you should have the reboot system now selected by default. So all you really need to do now is press power key once more. And now just wait for the device to boot back up into Android system. And as you can see, now the process is fully finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.